Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a different video. This is going to be things that I have tried at the Dollar Tree and I feel like they work and I wanted to share them with you guys. I only have 6 things that I want to share with you guys, and you know, for $1, some of these things that you would have to buy like at Walmart, Target could cost you anywhere from $2 to $3 depending on the name and all that stuff. So let's go ahead, with all other ados, let me shut up and let's get into this video. So here recently I have been struggling with, I don't know if it's because it's so hot here in Tennessee, because you guys, it has been so hot that it's like as soon as I walk outside I sweat like a pig. And I actually wanted to try something very cheap before I bought an actual all over body deodorant powder, just for the simple fact because I've heard horror stories about all over body deodorant powder. I've heard that it can give you cancer. I've heard that it can do just weird things to you, and I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money and it not work properly. But I actually found this, and this is the Perfect Purity, and it is talc free, which I'm assuming is what gives you the cancer. That's what I'm pretty sure. If not, correct me down below. And then obviously it's an after shower deodorant, cornstarch body powder, and it is in the fresh scent because you guys know I love fresh, clean scents. And you do get a very big bottle of this. This is an 8 ounce. Sorry, I can't see, I don't have my glasses on. This is an 8 ounce, so you do get quite a bit. The one thing I did notice though is it's not completely full. Now I don't know if the other ones are like that because, like I said, I don't shop for the other brands yet. I'm still using this one. And this was manufactured on 4/19 and it expires 4/24. So it does have a long shelf life. And what it says is you use it for all over your body to protect it with a fresh, clean fragrance, which it does have a really clean fragrance. And it says use directions: dry skin thoroughly before applying. You can apply this up to 3 or 4 times daily. Now what this does is it helps you from not to sweat, because I have been sweating so bad this summer and it sucks and it's making me not smell well, and I am a person who likes to put off a positive energy of the way that I smell, and I don't want to be stinking, smell like armpits or anything to that nature. So I have been using this. I really like this, and it is only $1, you guys, and you do get quite a bit for $1. Now the next thing that I love that I found from the Dollar Tree is nail polish remover. Nail polish remover can get a little expensive at other places, so I always get my nail polish at Dollar Tree, and I am almost out of it, and it does last me quite a while, you guys. I just always get this is the brand Swan, and this is just the nail polish remover, and this is 100% acetone. I always make sure that I grab the one that says 100% acetone, because this one seems to remove your nail polish a lot better than the other ones that I have tried from the Dollar Tree. And this is a 6 fluid ounce. So I would definitely recommend picking up your nail polish remover at the Dollar Tree. It's only $1. It's nail polish remover. You don't have to have a name brand. Alright, the next thing that I recently have found at the Dollar Tree, well, I haven't recently found it, but I want to share with you guys. I did do a review about this product, and I want to come on here once again because this is going to be my Dollar Tree great deals finds. I don't know how I'm going to word it yet. But these are the cleansing nose strips, you guys. If you can find these at your Dollar Tree, stock up on them. They are $1, and you get 3 nose strips in here, and they are the charcoal one. You guys, Nose strips can be ridiculously expensive, especially if you buy like Clearasil and all that stuff. I'm telling you guys, trust my word when it comes to this. A lot of people are probably going to be like, it's $1, does it really work? Yes, it really does work. One thing you do have to do is you have to wet your nose before you actually apply it on there, so it gives it something to stick to, which is okay with me, because some people, I guess, complained about like they had to do that and they felt like it was unnecessary, but it's $1. What do you expect? Definitely pick these up. You get 3 for $1, so that would pretty much make them less than 75 cents a piece. And it does unclog your pores, and when you go to rip it off, especially if you wear makeup a lot, which I do, you will definitely find that when you take your nose strip off, you will find a lot of your blackheads and little things, just gross things that it pulled out of your nose. For $1, grab it while you can. Stock up on these. These do work. Alright, the next thing is a little foot thing. I don't really know what these are called. I tried one before I found this one, and that one absolutely did not work to my pleasure. This is only $1. It is like a foot stone scrub, and once again, you guys, I'm getting older. My body's changing. I'm not a spruce chicken anymore. We're starting to get old and decrepit. Before you know it, I'm gonna have a cane. I'm just joking. But yeah, I am starting to get nasty stuff growing on the heels of my feet, and I wear sandals during the summer, and that is so unattractive. I personally wouldn't want myself walking out of my house with like hardened, dried skin on the back of my foot. But we're only human, like, and that's another thing I don't understand about people is like, why would you make fun of somebody when it's only human nature of what certain things happen to you? So yeah, I would definitely recommend this. Definitely make sure your feet are extremely wet. And what I'm meaning by that is, once you get out of the tub, this is when I normally like to use this instead of just a quick shower, because your foot doesn't really get that wet to where it softens your skin. So when I take a bubble bath, this is when this bad boy comes in, and I make sure my foot is extremely soft to where you can just see the dry skin, and it's just like that gross mushy. Yeah, okay, we're getting there. So then I take this and I scrub it all off, and I like the fact that it has a grip thing on it, which makes it even more easier to scrub and get the dry skin off of your heels. So definitely pick this up if you're somebody who suffers with that during the summer. Alright, and then my second to last thing is these makeup wipes. Now, these aren't the best makeup wipes, but they do work, and I was actually surprised for $1. They do work. Now, I definitely would not recommend taking a full face off with these, because it would take you forever to get it off, because just to get my eyeliner and eyeshadow off, most of the time when I go to work, I just wear eyeliner and brown eyeshadow to make it look like I'm alive and not dead. And I have to use 2 cloths to actually get it all completely off my face. And then I take a shower and then it gets completely off my face. So it does work, but I just wanted to throw this out there that these are not the best eye makeup removers or makeup wipes at all from the Dollar Tree. So that's why I wanted to add this one to my little thing. So yeah, I would not recommend these at all, like I said. And you have to scrub to get it off. Like, most of the time my makeup removers, you just go and half my makeup's gone, but this one you have to, like, you gotta put some elbow grease into it. So this one is definitely a no for me, but it does work. So if you are like on a budget for 1 week and you ran out of eye makeup remover, then yeah, I guess these would pass because they do work, but I would not recommend them. Alright, the last thing is something that I recently found, and I don't know if I shared this with you guys, but this is Salon Selectives, which is a Dollar Tree brand, I believe. And this is a frizz control. It smooths and it protects. And it is a leave-in smoothing. And it's got argan oil from Morocco. And this is a 4 fluid ounce. And you guys, I tested this out when my hair was like curly and nappy looking. I have my hair styled and straightened right now. But this stuff actually works. I was like, it's not gonna work. It's only $1. Why are you wasting your time when you could be putting in much better product? This stuff actually works. And it actually blew me away, you guys. So I'll let you guys see it so you guys can get a good idea. So yeah, if you have frizzy, out of control hair, or you have extremely bad frizz in your hair because it's damaged or anything to that nature, check this out at your Dollar Tree if you can find this, because this stuff does work. If you guys follow me on Instagram, or if you guys have watched previous videos of me, you guys know that I have frizzy ass hair. My hair is very curly, it's very thick. I have very thick hair and it is very out of control. And I do suffer with frizzy because my hair is damaged, because I box dye. And I don't really take care of my hair that much. I don't know, I just really don't. Like, my hair is not one of my things for me. So yeah, check this out. Check this out, you guys, if you could get your hands on it. It does work. And it is a creamy base. And one other thing I wanted to throw out there is this smells amazing. It almost smells like, it smells fresh with like a hint of coconut, almost, sort of. So yeah, these were my little things that I found at the Dollar Tree. Gave them a try, and they do actually work, except for these guys didn't really work for me, but they do work. And I wanted to come on here and share them with you guys, because we live in an era where times can get rough. Jobs are sucking. Pay is sucking. We all know that. And I wanted to share some things that were budget friendly with you guys, because I live on a budget. I'm not a millionaire. And things that work for me, hopefully they work for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products. If you have, let me know down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you soon in my next video. You're beautiful. Stay true to yourself. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. See you guys.